My name is Jean-Claude, and I'll be showing you how to do the super sweet potato dip. And we're going to have a half sweet potato with 1 tablespoon of Greek yogurt, half a tablespoon of honey, and a little taste of cinnamon just to get the taste in. And we also have pecans, but that's optional if you want to add in it. And we're going to mix that up for you. You can always add pecans, you can add almonds, berries, anything. It's all optional, whatever you like. Add in the cinnamon. Now you just want to mix it up for y'all. You're just going to place it in the bowl. And he's going to add his topping, some pecans in there. Set it all up. And you have apples. You can have green apples, red apples, whatever you want. Just slice them up, add them around the thing. And that's how you make your sweet potato dip.